Uh-oh. Oh, shoot.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 87, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Goochland, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 87, effective until 7 p.m.
What's going on today?
This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte.
Uh-oh.
The mid-70s, lows in the upper 40s.
There's thunder now. Awesome. What's up, guys? The date is... I'm definitely gonna do it first try this time. No, I'm breaking tradition. Okay, I didn't even get it first try, so that doesn't even matter. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The date is April 3rd, 2024 on a Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dudes. And somehow, by the looks of it, severe storms are firing up. Yeah, I just got back from a sleepover with Rad Awesome Shark, filming for TRH, so when that comes out, make sure you watch it. And I slept in a lot, so I actually just woke up, 30 minutes ago, to a tornado watch happening that you saw in the beginning of the clip. Man, it's really getting rainy out there. Let me actually, check the radar. Uh-oh, my radar is going crazy.
Hey there, gang.
Hey, gang. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, shoot. At a slight risk. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see here. This is the tornado watch that you just saw. Let's see. Oh, wow. Goes, everywhere. And we're right on it, too. Somehow we're not in it, because it's all the counties around us that are in the tornado watch. Okay, guys. First captures of 2024. Man, it is really getting bad out there. I'll see you when something interesting happens. Let's do this! 2024 is gonna be lit! Whee! God damn! God damn! Bro, look at this! Wow. It is definitely raining. Cool.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for North Central Amelia County in Central Virginia, Powhatan County in Central Virginia, until 3 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Macon, or near Powhatan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh my God.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Powhatan and Macon around 2:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Goodwin Store,
Holy crap.
Jefferson, Provost, Giles Mill, Sublitz, Fine Creek Mills, Michelle, Malona, and Lodore.
It's heading straight into Richmond.
Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Tornado warning just got issued. That's insane. Okay, well, good news. It's like 20 minutes later, and the tornado, like, just signature in general is gone. So, yay! No one's dying. Yeah. Ooh! I didn't even show you guys this yet. Look, we are under a tornado risk right now. That's crazy. Uh-oh, what was that?
Flood watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening.
Flood warning for Baltimore. Yeah. Alright, I will see you guys when something interesting happens. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield
What even is this?
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in central Virginia, west central King and Queen County in east central Virginia, east central Buchanan County in central Virginia, southeastern Caroline County in north central Virginia, northwestern Henrico County in central Virginia, northwestern King William County in east central Virginia, southeastern Hanover County in central Virginia, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Laurel, or near Tuckahoe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ashland, Mechanicsville, Laurel, Lakeside, and Glen Allen around 3 p.m. Hanover around 3:05 p.m. Mangahi around 3:15 p.m. Bougainville around 3:20 p.m. Other locations.
Yep, here it is. That was late, IAM bot.
Include Enfield, Gumtree, Elmont, Etna Mills, Itworth, Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Atlee, Ashcake, and Globe. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Oh shoot, it's tornado possible.
If you saw a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in...
Damage moment! Oh!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County in central Virginia, the city of Colonial Heights in central Virginia, the city of Hopewell in south central Virginia, southeastern Nottoway County in south central Virginia, the city of Petersburg in south central Virginia, west central Charles City County.
Oh, this is going to tornado one again? What?
Prince George County in south central Virginia, northern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, Dinwiddie County in south central Virginia, west central Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Brunswick County in south central Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near McKinney, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near McKinney and do it around 4 p.m.
Ooh,
4:05
could
p.m.
we get this?
Carson
I don't know.
4:15 p.m.
No, we cannot. Crap.
Disputanta around 4:25 p.m.
This did a halt?
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wayside, Burchett Estate, Addison, Jordan Point Country Club, Wharf Store, Petersburg National Battlefield, Darboz, Church Road, Richard Bland College, and Templeton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for South Central.
BMX moment! So nothing interesting is happening. Yeah, all the storms have gone over here, away from us, because we're over there, and this is all over here. It's tornadoing over there and not here. I'm actually going to get batteries for the radio, so I'll be back. Hey, just got done getting the batteries. We're having that rolling cloud phenomenon happening here. I forget what they're called. I'm going to put it up on screen. But, yeah. It goes all the way down there. These are cool. This one right here is really pronounced rolling. Probably if I leave the camera here, probably just see it rolling. Wow. Oh man, I look horrible right now. What the hell, bro? I'm so tired. Alrighty guys, so it is the next morning and unfortunately that's all the alerts that were issued for today, or yesterday rather. But man, those are some pretty good alerts. I think we got 4. I almost put up 3. Okay, I'm tired, guys. Give me a break. Which honestly isn't too bad. I mean, heck, we got our first tornado warning of the season already. I never get tornado warnings, guys. So that's pretty awesome. So hopefully that means this season will be good. If that's a precursor to the season, then I'm really excited. But that's all we have for today. I will see you guys in the next severe weather event. Bye. Oh, oopsies.